Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to download Zangi Private Messenger app. To download Zangi Private Messenger app, you have to go to your Play Store or the App Store depending on the device you are using. Here, I'm using Android device, so I'll tap Open Play Store. Once you tap Open your Play Store, tap on the search icon located on the bottom right. In the search bar, type in Zangi Private Messenger app. Search it up. Then tap on the install button right next to Zangi Private Messenger. The installation will take some time. And now you have successfully installed Zangi Private Messenger application. Once the app is downloaded, user can register an account, add contacts, send text messages, make voice and video calls, create group chats, and communicate securely with others using end-to-end encryption. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.